Hello everyone. In this video, we will walk you through the process of filling the MDI admissions form for the academic session 2021 to 23. The online application form can be accessed through the official MDI website. The link to the application form is also provided in the description box below. The first step is to enter your personal email ID. Please note that all further communication will be done via this email ID. Then click on Proceed. Provide the required information such as full name, mobile number, and date of birth. You will receive an OTP on your registered email ID and mobile number. Please enter the OTP to proceed. At this stage, you have been successfully registered. An automated alphanumeric password will be generated. Please do keep a note of this password as it will be used to access the application form in the future. Now, fill in your personal details. At any point, if you click on the Save button at the top right of the page, all the details entered thus far will be saved and can be accessed when you log in at a later stage. Please ensure that all the mandatory fields marked by an asterisk are filled. The online application form is common for MDI Gurgaon and MDI Murshidabad. Please select the campuses you wish to apply for, followed by your preferred interview location. Choose the programs you wish to apply for. Please note, for the PGDM IB course, there are additional eligibility criteria that need to be met. Enter your work experience in months as on 31st of December 2020 and also your family income. Enter your permanent and communication address separately in case the two are different. Otherwise, you can select the similar to permanent address option in case they are the same. Coming to the academic qualification, enter your class 10th examination details such as board, name of institution, passing year, and the subject marks. Please note that marks for 4 subjects, English, Science, Maths, and Social Studies, are compulsory to enter. The 5th subject must be a language course. It can be either Hindi or any other language. The percentage will be automatically calculated based on the entered marks. Similarly, enter the class 12th examination details. Here, the marks for English is compulsory to enter. You can enter any other 4 subject marks of your choice in the remaining fields. Please note that it is not compulsory that your core subjects need to be included here. Coming to the graduation section, enter your undergrad details as per the field headings. If you have not completed the degree or are appearing for it, enter the average of percentages of marks obtained for the years or semesters of the degree course completed till date. If you are pursuing or have completed a dual degree course, enter the course name and related details in the graduation section itself. In case you have done or are doing any course such as CA, CS, ICWA, or AMIE, enter the percentages of marks obtained in the inter or final examination. Then enter your 8-digit CAT registration number. Under the upload section, the candidate's photo and signature needs to be uploaded according to the mentioned format and file size. For the 10th, 12th, and graduation mark sheets, a PDF file up to a size of 100 KB can be uploaded. Enter the work experience details as per the field headings. In case you have held multiple designations in your organization, please enter the last held designation. Fill out the remaining details and complete the form, and then click on Save. Please make sure to cross-check all the entered details. If any information needs to be changed, you can use the Edit option on the top right corner of the screen. Once you have made the online payment, no changes will be allowed in the application form. The status will remain incomplete until the payment is done. Complete the payment process to submit the form. Please note that the online applications will be available till Friday, 27th November 2020, up to 5 p.m. Hope this video has been helpful while filling your application form. In case of any further doubts, feel free to reach out to us on our official admissions pages on Pagrikai and Facebook. You can find the links in the description box below. All the best for the upcoming examination. Thank you.